Hey future me and everyone tuning in. Today we're back with Sienna, and this video marks the point of no return. Sienna will be stripped down to her bare hull, and we will find out how deep the rabbit hole goes. Since Sienna didn't come with any electrical system, toilet, galley or plumbing, today's stripping involves cutting out fiberglass parts with an oscillating multi-tool. Now, this may look a bit monotonous, but remember, this is a crucial step. It's an enormous commitment to the journey ahead. So, as you watch me stripping Sienna bit by bit, let me share the vision I have. I want Sienna to transform into a sailing vessel capable of going anywhere. And then I mean anywhere. My goal is to complete a solo Atlantic crossing in 2030, just in time for my 50th birthday. While others have made similar crossings in a Shark, which is known to be built very, very strong, still is classified as a category C sailboat, meaning it's not designed for waves over 2 meters or winds above 26 knots. Now, I want to enhance her for the toughest of conditions. With careful planning, a stock Shark could cross the Atlantic. It obviously has been done. But I'm aiming to make her capable to manage heavy storms, crushing waves, seen in roaring 40s. One inspiring figure in small ocean-going sailboats is Sven Yrvind, now 85. He continues to innovate, preparing for a voyage from Norway to New Zealand in a 5.3 meter sailboat. His route will be tackling the roaring 40s. He, for instance, developed a simple but effective ventilation system that keeps water out of the cabin, even when inverted. Another inspiration is Captain Perry of the Ocean Capable Small Sailboat channel. In the boat he has been building from scratch, he incorporates a lot of the visions of Yrvind, including an iteration of his ventilation system. Now, a stock Shark, like many other boats, have significant risks. If she capsizes, she's not watertight, and water can flood in through the companionway. Without watertight compartments or flotation elements, the chances of sinking rapidly are high. Many successful small ocean-going designs feature a watertight hatch on the companionway, like Alan Mulholland's Wave Rover and, for instance, Janusz Maderski's Class Globe 580. Sven Yrvind's boat, as well as Captain Perry's boat, are completely watertight. I plan to incorporate these features into Sienna, making her virtually unsinkable. Additionally, the Shark's shallow draft bolt-on keel is great for lakes and marinas, but it makes her easier to heel or capsize. The keel bolts also pose a risk of leaking or failing.
Now, in the first video you saw that it was a bit reddish, and these are the plates that hold the keel. And these plates are not made of stainless, they are made of normal steel, so they rust. And probably what they did, they put some glass over these nuts over here, so no water would come into the hull. Problem is, they didn't really seal the keel very good, so water got in, not in the hull, but in the joint. So yeah, this needs to go. 3 of them, I need to get the plates out. To be honest, it's not a bad thing because I've got a major thing coming up here. But yeah, not such a great repair. Yep. Okay, let's go!
Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions or any ideas, please feel free to leave a comment. I hope you tune in into the next video. Bye bye.